Welcome to Unboxing Nature with Toy Insanity, aka Animal Insanity. Butternut, you ready for this? You don't know what's in here, do you? Hey, pay attention. They're gonna catch you off guard. There's more than one. Beetle Insanity. These are Darkling beetles. Kind of fascinating. Me and the Insanity dog were walking through the forest, and they were all over the ground. I think I got 15 in about 5 minutes. Okay, the real big female's already gone. That's a pretty big one. Darkling beetles. They pretty much eat leaf litter. There's something called carrion beetles. They're a type of darkling beetle that eat carrion. But I've always found them fascinating. They have several defense mechanisms, one of which is playing dead. One is a relatively hard exoskeleton, elytra wings. A third would be just escape, burrowing down into the leaf litter. And the fourth would be emitting a foul odor. Yes, these stink. Well, I think they're pretty cool. Especially since we had found so many. Butternut! He don't care. I hope you care and hope you thumbed it up.